Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We once again welcome you to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's lecture, please subscribe this page and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications of our upcoming videos well in time. In our today's subject English language, we will study Unit 4, that is nice weather. And in English literature, we will study Chapter 5 of the novel Swiss Family Robinson. Students, it's our week 9th. I'm your teacher Samia Khatun. In first half of today's session, we will cover English language. Our unit is Unit 4, Nice Weather. And the subtopic which we are going to see in detail is Vocabulary 2, Types of Weather. Students, it would be quite fruitful for you to see the learning objectives of today's lesson before we formally start it. So let's come to the learning objectives. First, you will be able to talk about extreme weather conditions. Second, to discuss weather forecast. Third is to know about the terms and symbols used in weather maps. And the last is to write a paragraph about the famous fruits and vegetables of summer season. Let's move towards Lesson 1, that is Vocabulary 2, Types of Weather. Students, weather is the state of atmosphere describing, for example, the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. Weather refers to day-to-day temperature and changes daily. There are different types of weather. Some days it is sunny, other days it could be cool and pleasant. At times the weather is absolutely freezing and everyone wants to stay inside. So students, we have seen that weather is a dynamic phenomenon and changes very frequently. You can see in the pictures the two opposite states of the weather, that is rainy and sunny. We have discussed earlier that weather is a changing phenomenon, a dynamic phenomenon. So it has various types. For example, sunny, windy, snowy, stormy, cloudy, foggy, rainy, partially cloudy, and partially sunny. 6 different types of the weather are also shown here in the weather chart. If we talk about these types of the weather, we need not to go into their details because every term is very clear, so we can guess the type of weather from the very name. Now we will come towards the reading plan of this week. Students, you have to open your workbooks, page number 30. There you will see an online article. You have to read the article carefully. Then give the article a suitable heading. Use the space given in the workbook. Now, your second task is to find and write the meanings of the following words using a dictionary. The words are forecast, meteorologist, satellite, predict, hemisphere, and pressure. Also remember to write down the contextual meanings and these words to My Vocabulary Bank. Now, your task number 3 from this week's reading is you will sit with some of your elder and discuss the questions. The questions are, what was the weather like yesterday? Then you have to compare the weather today to the forecast made yesterday. Was it correct? If not, then what is the difference? Are weather forecasts always accurate? After reading plan, now we will move towards the writing plan of this week. In this week, you have to write down a paragraph. The topic is My Summer Favorites. Students, Pakistan is a blessed country as our farmers grow a variety of fruits and vegetables in our country. Now you have to write a paragraph on the fruits and vegetables you can enjoy in the summer season. Give the title My Summer Favorites to your paragraph. You can start your paragraph by including the following points. So let's see these points. First is, what is the average temperature in Pakistan during summer? Then, what kind of fruits and vegetables grow during this time of the year? Next point is, which fruits do you like and why? Then, which fruit juices do you like drinking? Describe the taste. The last point is, should we eat plenty of vegetables in summer? So students, kindly adapt these points to harmonize your paragraph. Students, for your effective reading and smart paragraph writing of this week, here is your success criteria. Let's see it. Listen to the audio track carefully. Differentiate between various types of weather. Maintain your vocabulary bank properly. Read the online article carefully to do the assigned task accordingly. The last is, write paragraph on My Summer Favorites by including the given points. Now is the time to switch to English literature. Our reader is Swiss Family Robinson. We have successfully completed its 4 units in previous weeks. Today, we will do the reading of Chapter 5. Dear students, before going into the details of Unit 5, it would be good for you to take the recap of Unit 1 to 4. So here is a quick recap of 4 units. Pastor was shipwrecked. Pastor and his family reached the shore safely. They made a tent house there and lived in that for a few days. The family explored the island and found many interesting things and places. Students, you have to go to page 21 to 25 for reading chapter 5. So read the chapter on your own or listen to the track on CD provided with the novel. Then underline difficult words and look up for their contextual meanings. Add the new vocabulary learned in this chapter to my vocabulary bank. Now let's see what is your written work after reading the chapter. Your written work is exercise 4, that is comprehension, and exercise 5, that is vocabulary, from activity section exercises. Complete the exercises on the given pages. Comprehension exercise 1 and 2 are on page 52. You can either use loose sheets or your neat notebooks for this work. And exercise 5 vocabulary, exercise 3 and 4 is on page 52 and 53. And you have to do these exercises in textbook only. Now let's see the success criteria. Read chapter 5 with care and interest. Underline difficult words and look up for their meanings in dictionary. Solve question 4 and 5 on page 52 and 53 by following the given instructions. Hope you have learned useful pieces of information from this video. Thank you so much.